Welcome! If you're tired of constant pop-ups every time someone goes live on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable notifications for live videos on the Instagram app for PC, using the latest update. This quick guide will help you enjoy a quieter, more focused Instagram experience. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the main screen, look over to the left side menu. Near the bottom, you'll spot the More icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Click on this icon to reveal a menu with additional options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account preferences. Next, find and click on Notifications. Inside the Notifications section, you'll see several choices, but what we're interested in is Push Notifications. Go ahead and click on that. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Live Videos. Here, you'll see the option to manage notifications specifically for live video broadcasts. To completely stop these notifications, simply choose Off. And that's it. You've now disabled notifications for live videos on Instagram when using your PC. From now on, you can browse, post, and connect without being interrupted every time someone starts a live stream. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and switch them to your preferred setting. Taking control of your notifications is a great way to keep your Instagram experience distraction-free and tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also want a break from live video alerts. Enjoy your time on Instagram, and see you next time.